have this crazy idea. I want to put two things together that I think is a combination that you probably never have thought about. I'm talking about Hey everyone, it has been so long since the last time I posted a video. I hope everyone is doing well. In case you're wondering where I have been, so many different things. I had changed my career, I have got a new dog, and I've been hands-on building my dream container home. That project is crazy. I will drop a link in the description so you can also follow that journey along. But today, I have something super exciting to share with you. I have this crazy idea. I want to put two things together that I think is a combination that you probably never have thought about. I'm talking about AI and Python. And I'm not talking about the code Python, I'm talking about the living animal snake python, specifically ball python. Okay, you will be thinking, are you crazy or what? Maybe I'm a little bit crazy, but to give you a little bit of background story as well, my boyfriend has a business to breed ball pythons. At first I thought, okay, ball python, they are not so cool, they are just like black and brown, and I mean, I'm not like afraid of snakes, but I also don't love snakes. But when I watch what he does, I just find it so fascinating. Like the pattern that he is creating with the snakes. I don't have the proper terms for it, but like he can put this kind of ball python and the other type of ball python, put them together, and then he can create this very unique pattern baby snake. And I just found it so beautiful. Like the pattern that he has been creating, some of them has like this pinkish pastel color in a combination of cream and yellow, and the other has this gold color that when the sun shines on it, it actually blinks, and I just find it so beautiful. So the business idea is that I want to create something around the snake. So I'm not going to focus on selling the snake, but I want to create something that I can surface and celebrate this beauty living creature. The thing is, I have no idea what products I can create. I don't know how to start a business from zero, from scratch. And I thought what would be fun is we can bring in AI and let AI drive my business. My AI experience has not been like a lot. Most of it is just ChatGPT and a little bit of Midjourney. Not super great on it either. But I think that's the interesting part, and that's the most exciting part that I'm gonna learn along with you. You can also suggest tools for me, and I can try them out as well, and then see how AI can build a business from scratch. And I thought for today we can maybe ask ChatGPT to look for a name for my new business. Shall we? Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. I think I'll just write out my business idea. So I'll explain a little bit how my boyfriend has this breeding company called the Glückliche Schlange Farm. It is a German name, so I don't know if he actually understands it. But let me just write my prompts and my idea and ask for a list of suggestions of names. What I learned is like when with ChatGPT, the more detail you give it, the better kind of suggestions that it will give you as well. Okay, so you start writing all the names in German. I think because I didn't tell that I want the names actually in English. Okay, so I will clarify. I want my business name in English. Okay, what do we got here? Glückliche tiny scales. I don't love any of them per se. I'll just ask for other suggestions maybe. Yeah, I like the word like loop, because in case you don't know, ball python get their name because when they are scared or when they are stressed or when they are just shy, they will curl up into a ball. So I kind of feel like this loop word represent that aspect of the ball python. Okay, well, I kind of like this one. Glooky little loops. Can we shorten that a little bit? What about Glooky loopy? That sounds kind of cute, I think. Don't you think? Let me just ask ChatGPT if it's a good name or not. Okay, it's a Glooky loopy is a wonderful name. It's fun, catchy, easy to remember. The term loopy invokes the image of looping, coiling snake. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted. And Glooky connects it back with my boyfriend's company, Glooky Schlange Farm. So that's amazing because I do actually want it to have a little bit of connection, but not exactly like the same kind of company. And it has a playful and cute vibe, which is perfect for a business on baby snakes. I think it's great. So I think I'll just go with this. It took, I don't know how long, 5 minutes or something. Now we have a name, Glooky Loopy. And I think next episode I will ask ChatGPT to start creating a plans because I don't actually know what to do next. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode and I'll see you next time. Bye!